This particular class we are going to discuss a new idea, that is a circle. I hope so from the locus discussion everyone know what is the definition of a circle. The set of all points in a plane. The set of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. So this is a fixed point. All the points are moving in such a way. Its distance from a fixed point. Its distance from a fixed point. Its distance from a fixed point. Points are moving in such a way. All these points are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. So all these points, locus equation is nothing but a circle. Because this is a moving point, let us say arbitrary point x comma y. And this is a fixed point. I am taking that fixed point is center h comma k. That fixed point is h comma k. The distance between these two is r. Here also the distance 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 is r. That means Cp is equals to r. Right? Cp is equals to r. Then what happens? Cp is equals to r. Distance between C and P is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r under root. Squaring on both sides, we will get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So this is the equation of a circle with the center h comma k and radius is equals to r, which we will call it as central form. Central form of the equation of a circle. That is the equation of a circle with the center h comma k and radius is equals to r. If center is 0 comma 0, then the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equals to r square. That is the equation of a circle with the center 0 comma 0 and radius is equals to r. Okay sir, I got the information, it's clear. Because with the center h comma k and radius r, then the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. What it represents? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. What it represents? Let's see. We can write this one as x square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy is equal to minus c. I hope so everyone follow. Next what I am doing, observe here, x square plus 2gx plus g square I am adding, y square plus 2fy plus f square here I am adding. So add the same terms right hand side also, g square plus f square minus c. To make it as a perfect square I added g square. To make it as a perfect square I added f square. That's why we added f square and g square right hand side also. So what we can write this one as, that is nothing but x plus g whole square. So this is nothing but y plus f whole square is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c whole square. We can write or not? So this can be written in this way. Square and root cancel, you will get the same. Now you can write this one as x minus of minus g whole square plus y minus f whole square is equals to under root g square plus f square minus c whole square. Whether you observed or not, this is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Right? with the center h comma k and radius is equals to r. So I can say this equation represent a circle. This equation represent a circle under the condition g square plus f square minus c must be greater than or equal to 0. Sorry, ये कहाँ से आया? This is the reason. G square plus f square minus c is there inside the square root. Inside the square root there must be positive values. If it is negative, radius does not exist. Radius not possible. We are getting imaginary. That's why g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 0 case what happens? If g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, it represents a point circle. A point circle whose radius is 0. So that's why x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle under the condition g square plus f square minus c greater than 0. And the center of the circle is given by minus g comma minus f, right? So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of the equation of a circle with the center minus g comma minus f and radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. It represents a circle. That circle is real under the condition g square plus f square minus c greater than 0. If g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, then it represents a point circle. That means that point is nothing but minus g comma minus f and radius is equal to 0. And g square plus f square minus c less than 0, that equation represents an imaginary circle. So this circle is called general form of the equation of a circle. That is the general form of the equation of a circle. Suppose observe here the information is given like this: x square plus y square, right? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 is equals to 0. Can you tell me what is the center and radius of the circle? Yes, you can observe. We have compared with this 2gx is equal to minus 4, 2fy is equals to minus 8 and the value of c is equal to minus 45. So 2g is equal to 2f is equals to 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equals to minus 8, c is equals to minus 45. Therefore we are getting g is equal to minus 2, f is equals to minus 4. Now center is given by minus g comma minus f is the center, that is equals to 2 comma 4 is the center of the circle. And radius is given by square root of g square plus f square minus c is the radius, that is nothing but 4 plus 16 minus of minus 45. So that is nothing but 20. You will get under root 65 is the radius for the circle, right? So center of this circle is equals to 2 comma 4, radius is equal to root 65. Suppose the circle equation is given like this: 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equal to 0. This circle center and radius we have to find out. Now I can write this one as x square plus y square minus 1 by 2 into x is equal to 0, taken 2 common. So now here 2g is equal to minus 1 by 2 and 2f is equals to 0 and the value of c is also equal to 0. So from this I can write g is equal to minus 1 by 4, f is equals to 0. So what is the center? Center is equal to minus g comma minus f, that is nothing but 1 by 4 comma 0 is the center of the circle. But what about the radius? Radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So that is nothing but you will get 1 by 2 is the radius. Okay, so not 1 by 2, 1 by 4 you will get the radius, because g value we got 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 whole square, this is 0, this is 0. So we are getting 1 by 4 is the radius. Center we got and radius also we got. Okay. So whether you observe either this equation or this equation, what is the coefficient of x square? 1. Here also coefficient of y square is 1. X square coefficient and y square coefficients are equal. Here also x square coefficient, y square coefficient must be equal, right? And at the same time there is no x into y term. Xy term is not there. Here also xy term is not there. So you know the general second degree equation. So this is the general second degree equation. The equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. The general second degree equation represents a circle under the condition a must be equal to b and at the same time h must be equal to 0. There is no xy term and the coefficient of x square must be equal to coefficient of y square. Then what happens? You will get like this: x square plus y square plus 2 into g by a into x plus 2 into f by a into y plus c by a is equals to 0. Yes or no? Because I told h must be equal to 0. That's why a and b are equal. That's why in place of b also I written a divided with a. Now we got this one. Tell me what is the center for this circle? Center is equal to minus g by a comma minus f by a is the center. And what about the radius? Radius is nothing but square root of minus g by a whole square plus minus f by a whole square minus c by a, just like g square plus f square minus c. In place of g we have g by a is there, in place of f we have f by a is there. That's the reason. So this simplification we can write it as g square plus f square minus ac under root divided by modulus of a, because you will get a square will come outside the modulus, it becomes mod a. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represent a circle under the condition a is equals to b and h is equals to 0, and one more condition we got just now, g square plus f square minus ac must be greater than 0. When equal to 0, again the same information, it represents a point circle. So the general second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle under the condition coefficient of x square must be equal to coefficient of y square and xy coefficient, that is h term, must be equal to 0 and g square plus f square minus ac greater than 0. So the question is given like this. So some basic points you see. I hope so everyone know these basic points. This is the chord. Whatever the angle subtending here, the chord also subtends the same angle. These two angles are equal. At the same time, this is angle subtended on the circumference of the circle. This is angle subtended by the same chord here. If this angle is A, then definitely this will be 2A. right? So now this is the circle and this is a chord. Center of the circle. From center onto the chord, a line is drawn perpendicularly. It bisects. This must be the middle point. At the same time, you know very well, angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. If this is the diameter, this must be 90 degrees. At the same time, we are calling this one as a secant line, right? And we will call this one as the chord. Okay, a chord passing through the center of the circle is called diameter. These are basic ideas which we are going to use in the coming classes. Next you can see, so what is the diameter form of the equation of a circle? So this is the circle. To this circle, one end of the diameter is given as x1 y1. The other end of the diameter is given as x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the end points of the diameter. Then what is the equation of the circle? If x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the end points of the diameter, then we have to find out the equation of the circle. Let us say this point is A and this is equals to B. We have to find out the equation of a circle. This circle equation we have to find out. That's why I am taking one point P on the circumference of the circle. You know very well, this angle is 90 degrees, right? So this angle is 90 degrees. That means these two are perpendicular. But those two are perpendicular means what we can say? Slope of AP and the slope of BP multiplication must be equal to -1 or not. When the two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope must be equal to -1. What is the slope of AP? AP slope is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. What is the slope of BP? BP slope is equal to y minus y2 divided by x minus x2. Slopes multiplication must be equal to -1. This simplification we can do y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. Now shift to this side. You are getting x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the circle when the end points of the diameter given. x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the end points of the diameter of a circle. Then the equation of the circle is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. As we discussed in the previous session, the general form of the equation of a circle. What is the general form of the equation of a circle? S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 is the general form of the equation of a circle. So now I can write this one as, this x square can be written as x into x, this y square can be written as y into y, this 2gx can be written as g into x plus x, 2fy can be written as f into y plus c, that is yes, right? The same s I written in this way, the general form of the equation of a circle. Now what I am doing is 1x and 1y, x comma y, only 1x 1y replace with x1 y1, that we will call it as s1. So notations, these are notations, okay. Whenever in the objective exams, especially in the JEE mains or JEE advanced, whenever they are using these notations, they will mention what is S1, what is S2, what is S11, what is S12, all they will mention, okay. So these are the notations. S1 is equal to x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus C. Whether you observed or not, in place of 1x, I written x1. In place of 1y, only I written y1. That's why here 1x I written x1, 1y I written y1. Here also only 1x I used as x1, 1y only I used as y1. That is S1. Now, sir, what is S11? Now, in place of both x, write down x1. In place of both y, write down y1. So then what it becomes? This is nothing but x1 into x1, that is nothing but x1 square. y1 into y1, that is nothing but y1 square, plus x1 plus x1, 2x1. That's why we are getting 2g x1. y1 plus y1, 2y1. That's why we are getting 2f y1 plus c. That is the notation S11. Next one we can write S12. Come on, tell me what is S12. You can guess, you can tell. In place of 1x, x1, in place of other x, we have to write x2. Similarly, in place of 1y, we have to write y1. In place of other y, we have to write y2. So then what happens? S12 is equal to x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. So these are the some useful notations which we are going to use for especially for objective exam purpose, right? So better to remember these notations, okay? So now the question, one particular point I want to discuss. Position of a point. Position of a point with respect to a circle. Suppose the circle equation is given as s is equals to 0. Let us say that circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 is the equation of a circle. No doubt that circle center is minus g comma minus f and radius is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c under root, right? G square plus f square minus c under root is the radius of the circle. Okay, we have a circle and somewhere here there is a point P x1 comma y1. Now circle equation is given as s is equal to 0 and the point is P x1 y1. How can we say that the point lie whether inside the circle or on the circle or outside the circle? Nothing difficulty here. This is the center of the circle, that is C. C is equal to minus g comma minus f. Now find out the distance between these 2 points, that is nothing but CP. You know this is the radius of the circle. Yes, radius of the circle. If CP greater than or CP is more than radius, then what can we say? The point lie outside the circle. If CP is equals to R, CP is equals to R, then we say that the point lie on the circle. If CP less than R, then the point lie inside the circle. Okay, so CP greater than R, the point lie outside the circle. CP is equals to R, then the point lie on the circle. CP less than R, then the point lie inside the circle. Okay, we will check what is the CP greater than R, what we will get. Okay, CP means the distance between these two, that is nothing but x1 plus g whole square plus y1 plus f whole square under root is greater than or is nothing but g square plus f square minus c, because these are the distances. That's why you can do squaring, because positive value both sides, if you are doing squaring, no effect for the inequality. So now this simplification is x1 square plus g square plus 2g x1 right? Plus y1 square plus f square plus 2f is greater than g square plus f square minus c. So you can observe g square, here also g square, f square, here also f square cancel. Shift to this side, we are getting x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c greater than 0. That means this is nothing but S11. That is the notation which we discussed earlier. S11 greater than 0. S11 greater than 0. What can we say? S11 greater than 0. Then we say the point lie outside the circle. S11 is equal to 0. Then the point lie on the circle. S11 less than 0. Then the point lie inside the circle. So that is the position of a point with respect to circle. So here we are saying this CP square minus R square. That means CP square minus R square. That only we got here S11. Okay. This CP square minus R square is called power of a point with respect to the circle S is equal to 0. What we are calling that one as power of a point. Power of a point px1 y1 with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 is nothing but Cp square minus R square. That is nothing but S111. So that is about position of a point with respect to a circle. So if x1 y1 is outside the circle, then we have S11 greater than 0. If the point lie inside the circle, S11 less than 0. If the point is on the circle, S11 is equals to 0. So let us see this particular question. They have given R is equals to 5. Center lie on x-axis. Center lie on x-axis and passing through the point 2, 3. He is asking to find the equation of a circle with radius is equals to 5. Center lie on x-axis and the circle is passing through the point 2, 3. And center lie on x-axis means any point on x-axis is of the form a, 0. Because this is the circle. This circle center is on x-axis. That's why I can take the center as a, 0. Circle is passing through the point 2, 3. That is the information given. And also the information given as the distance between these two points is nothing but the radius is given as 5. So what we can say? A minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square under root is nothing but the radius, that is equals to 5. So I can write a minus 2 whole square is equals to 25 minus 9. Therefore we are getting a minus 2 is equals to 16 means plus or minus 4. Therefore we are getting a is equal to 6, 0. That means a value is equal to 6. The other possibility is a value is equal to minus 2. That's why 6, 0 is the center, or the other possibility is also there, minus 2, 0. So two circles are possible. One circle with center 6, 0. The other circle with center minus 2, 0. So next we have to find out the equation of a circle passing through origin and making an intercept A and B on coordinate axis. Circle making an intercept A and B on coordinate axis. So what is the meaning for that? Circle is passing through origin. Circle is passing through origin and making an intercepts of length A and B on coordinate axis. Yes, this is the information. Circle is passing through origin. Intercept made by the circle on x-axis. This length is given as A and this length is given as B. That is the information given. That is the meaning of intercepts made by the circle on x-axis. This is the intercept made by the circle on x-axis, that is given in the question as A, and this is the intercept made by the circle on y-axis, that is given as B. Now can you tell me what about this point? No doubt this point is A comma 0 and this particular point is 0 comma B. Yes, because this length is A, that's why point is A comma 0. This length is B, that's why the point is 0 comma B. For your kind information, whether you observed or not, this is the diameter of a circle. So that means A, B is the diameter of a circle. Agree or not? You know very well this angle is 90. But this angle is 90 means definitely this must be a diameter or not. Now you know the end points of the diameter. If you know the end points of the diameter, how to find out the equation of a circle? The circle equation, when A comma 0 and 0 comma B are the end points of the diameter, then the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. That is nothing but x square minus ax plus y square minus by is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0 is the equation of a circle when the intercept made by the circle on x-axis is A, on y-axis is B. So that is the equation of a circle. So this is the another question. They have given like this. I will try to discuss this question in different ways. So the question is given like this. Circle is passing through the point 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5. Circle passes through these 2 points and the center lie on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. We have to find out the equation of a circle passing through 2 points 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5 and the center of the circle lie on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. See method 1. Let us take the general form of the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the equation of a circle. So now this circle is passing through the point 4 comma 1. When it is passing through 4 comma 1, what happens? 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is equals to 0. So from this we got the information 8g plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. That is one relation we got. Now the same circle is also passing through the point 6 comma 5. When it is passing through 6 comma 5, what happens? 36 plus 25. In place of x we have to substitute 6. That's why you will get 12g. In place of y we have to substitute 5. Then you will get 10f plus c is equal to 0. Now this simplification we can do 12g plus 10f plus c plus, so this is 50, you are getting 56, 61 is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. But what is the center of this circle? This circle center is equal to minus g comma minus f, lie on the line. That's why in place of x we are writing minus g, in place of y we are writing minus f is equal to 16, because in the question given center lie on this line. That's why this circle center is minus g comma minus f. Substitute here. Then we got this condition. So 4g plus f is equal to minus 16. This is the third information. Whether you observed or not, 3 unknowns G, F, C. G, F, C. Three unknowns and also we got three equations. If you solve these three equations, you will get G value, F value, C value. G value, F value, C value, substitute here, you will get the equation of a circle. Now observe here, subtract these two, what happens? 4G, 12G minus 8G, 4G, 10F minus 2F, you will get 8F. C cancel, 61 minus 17, how much? 44 you will get is equals to 0. Now this is the another equation, 4G plus 8F is equals to minus 44, right? So now subtract these two, you will get 7F is equals to, come on, minus 28. Therefore we are getting F is equals to minus 4, right? So F value minus 4, substitute here. F is equals to minus 4, if you substitute, then what happens? 4G minus 4 is equal to minus 16. Therefore we are getting 4G is equal to minus 12. Therefore we got G is equal to, come on, G is equal to minus 3. So we got G value, we got F value, we got G value, and then one more value we required, that is C value, right? So substitute here G value as minus 3, that's why we are getting minus 24. F value we got minus 4, that's why minus 8, plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. Now we are getting the value of C is equals to 15, right? So the required circle equation is, substitute here, x square plus y square, G is equal to minus 3, then you will get minus 6x, F is equal to minus 4, then you will get minus 8y. We got the value of C is equal to 15. So this is the required circle equation. That is the one way of approaching so that particular question. The same question I want to do it in another way. Observe here how to proceed. This is the way you can approach. Circle is passing through the point 4, 1, and the circle is also passing through the point 6, 5, right? And this is, say, the line 4x plus y is equal to 16, no doubt. This is the center of the circle, because center lie on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16 given. So that's why that is the center of the circle. Now join these two points, it is the chord, right? Now can you find out the perpendicular bisector for this or not? So this chord bisector, perpendicular bisector of the chord must passes through the center of the circle. Array, you know this line equation as 4x plus y is equal to 16. Now can you tell me what is the slope of AB? Slope of AB is equals to, slope of AB is equals to, come on, AB slope is 5 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 4, that is nothing but, yes, 5 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 4, that is 4 by 2, so we are getting 2. Mas AB slope is 2 means this line slope must be minus 1 by 2. Can you tell me what is this point? It is nothing but the middle point of AB. What is the middle point of AB? 5, 3. Now can you find out the line equation? This line equation we can find out because we know the point and we know the slope. That line equation is y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 5. Therefore we are getting 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 5. Therefore we got x plus 2y, right? is equals to 11. This is the another equation we got. That equation is nothing but x plus 2y is equals to 11. Now if you solve these two equations, you will get the center of the circle, right? So we are solving the two equations. The first equation is 4x plus y is equal to 16. Now first equation is 4x plus y is equal to 16. Second equation multiply with 4, then what happens? 4x plus 8y is equals to 44. This equation written as it is, this one multiplying with 4. Now subtract these two, you will get 7y is equals to 28. Therefore we got y is equals to 4, right? So y is equals to 4, substitute there, you will get x value is equal to 3, right? So we got the center. So here we got the center of the circle as 3, 4 is the center. So you know the center and the distance between these two points, we will get the radius. So what is the distance between those 2 points? 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 5 whole square under root. So that is nothing but 9 plus 1, we are getting 10. Okay. So root 10 we got the radius of the circle. Now the equation of the circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to root 10 whole square. Because we got the center as a 3, 4, radius is equals to root 10. Now this simplification will get x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 16 plus 16 minus 8y is equals to 10. So now what about this simplification? We will get this simplification as x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, right? Minus 8y plus 15 is equals to 0. So in the earlier method also we got the same answer. Minus 2.5 comma 3.5. Minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lie inside the circle or outside the circle. X square plus y square is equals to 25. So this point lie inside the circle or outside the circle, we have to check. Okay, find out. This is s is equals to x square plus y square minus 25. That is the information given. Now check S11. S11 is equal to minus 2.5 whole square plus 3.5 whole square minus 25. If this value less than 0, then what can we say? The point lie inside the circle. Okay. So similarly we discussed greater than 0 outside is equal to 0 on the circle. So thus we have to find out the equation of the circle. 2, 1, 5, 5 minus 6, 7. We have to find out the equation of a circle passing through 3 points. Circle equation we have to find out passing through 3 points. One point is given as 2, 1. The other point is given as 5, 5. And one more point is given as minus 6, 7. Like that 3 points are there on the circle. We have to find out the equation of that circle. One method we can do it like this, that is just like as the earlier one. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is the equation of a circle, right? So this circle is passing through the point minus 6, 7. You will get one condition. The same circle is passing through the point 2, 1. You will get second relation. The same circle is passing through the point 5, 5. You will get the third relation. If you solve these 3 relations, you will get G, F, C values. That is one method. So the same question we can discuss in another way also. Join these two. Find out the perpendicular bisector, right? So let us say this is A and this is equals to B and this is equal to C. Can you tell me what is the slope of AB? What is the slope of AB? AB slope is equals to 5 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 2, that is the slope of AB, right? So that is nothing but 4 by 3. So that's why we got this slope is equal to minus 3 by 4. What is the middle point? 7 by 2. Next 3. Midpoint of these two. Now you can find out the line equation or not. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. We will get one line equation. Similarly, join these two points, you will get a chord or not. Yes, for this also find out the perpendicular bisector. So that means this middle point, you know, these two middle point you will get minus 2 comma 4. What is the slope of AC? Slope of AC is equals to 7 minus 1 divided by minus 6 minus 2, that is equal to 6 by minus 8. So we are getting minus 3 by 4. Because y2 minus y1, 7 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2, we are getting minus 8, minus 3 by 4. Then what is the slope of this line? This line slope is equal to 4 by 3. So we know the point and we know the slope. Then the line equation is y minus 4 is equal to 4 by 3 into x plus 2. This is the second line equation. If you solve these two equations, what we will get? Intersection point you will get. This point of intersection you will get. That point of intersection is nothing but center of the circle or not. Circle center, you know, distance between these two points. Any points you can take. Distance between these two points is radius. Center you know, radius also we know. Then we can find out the equation of a circle. Okay. So more questions try to work out. If you have any doubts, we can discuss in the next class.